everyone, welcome to Life Made Simply. My name is Nikki. In today's video, I'm sharing with you 3 easy holiday home decor DIYs. Hi everyone, I'm Nikki. Welcome to Life Made Simply. Today I'm sharing with you 3 easy holiday home decor DIYs you can create using your Cricut machine. This video is proudly sponsored by my friends over at Cricut. I love this time of year so much. I love decorating my home. It is the way that I express my joy and my love for the season. And I also love creating things myself, which is why I love sharing DIYs with you. So this is just the best of both worlds. It's home decor and DIY/crafts all in one, and I'm so excited to share with you these really easy DIYs. If you are new here, I invite you to subscribe to join the Simple Life Society. We help each other by sharing tips to help simplify your everyday life. You can also follow me on Instagram for more home decor inspiration. I also share some reels for styling to give you guys some ideas. So go ahead and check me out over on Instagram. I'll have the links all down below. And I'll also have links to all the products that I'm using in these DIYs and also a link to all of the Cricut products I use. I love how versatile these DIYs are. You can use different materials, different colors, and different patterns to really just match your home decor in your home. And I also love that these can also serve as holiday gift ideas to give to your families and loved ones. I also want to wish you guys a happy holidays, and I hope you're all staying safe and healthy. And I want to thank you so much for all the support that you showed me on this channel, and I just appreciate you guys all so much. So without further ado, let's get on to crafting. Let's get started. You'll need a few inexpensive supplies that you can find at the store or use what you already have. Once again, I'm using my Cricut Maker machine, and the full review is linked below. Let's transform a glass picture frame into something more special. Choose a frame with no matting and 2 pieces of glass. For this, I'm using the gold adhesive foil by Cricut. I love this adhesive foil because it has such a beautiful sheen. This beautiful graphic I'm using is free with Cricut Design Access and is a perfect ratio for this project. Size it to fit within your frame and cut it out. While this material is very pretty, it is a little trickier to weed because it is thicker, so take your time with it. I did choose an intricate design with skinny letters, so it did take me a little while longer, but it was so worth it in the end. I find using the Cricut weeding tool makes it so much easier and faster, and I will have that also linked down below. To transfer the design, I'm using the transfer tape by Cricut and firmly pressing it down. Be sure to clean the glass before placing down your vinyl. Center it to the glass. Gently pull away the transfer sheet, and I love how well this sticks on the glass and really makes it look classy, and I love the sheen as well. Reassemble the frame. Be sure to put the glass with the vinyl at the back. This frame can be styled on a mantle or a shelf as a timeless piece of decor. You can play with different types of frames as well as different vinyl materials by Cricut. Be sure to check the links down below to see what I used. Next, it's time to spruce up some plain candles. We are making a festive candle wrap. You will need some thick cardstock in the color of your choice. Be sure to remove the outer wrapping if there is any on your candle, and use it to measure how wide you need to cut your cardstock. I'm using this cardstock from Cricut in leaf green. I love that it has some texture to it, and it is a really heavy, great quality cardstock to use for this project. After cutting, lay the cardstock onto your mat. Choose a graphic with a lot of negative space like this Christmas tree. Adjust it to fit comfortably in the center of the sheet. And be sure to also center it with the width of your cardstock and cut. Remove the cardstock from your mat, and now you have a candle wrap. Since this is going around a cylinder object, I'm going to use a pen to gently just bend the corners in so it lays flat nicely on the candle. Then you can use some hot glue to secure it in place. I love how this came out, and there's so many different designs to choose from, and you could also make this with a printed holiday cardstock, which I think would look so festive. For the next candle, we're making a vinyl sticker. Cricut makes these festive holiday prints that come in a set. These prints are so fun, and I'll have them linked down below. I went with the green plaid print and measured my candle. I thought this warm Christmas wishes was fitting and sized it to the size of my candle. I find this vinyl so much easier to work with, and I had no difficulty weeding. Add transfer tape and transfer it to your candle. I kept the plastic wrap on this one, or if you have a glass candle, that would also look amazing. Style your holiday candles on a coffee table and have them light up your home this season. Let me know down in the comments what's your favorite holiday candle scent. Lastly, let's create some festive and fluffy throw pillows. It's best to use Cricut brand's Infusible Ink pillows and Infusible Ink sheets for best results. I'm using this distressed Grasslands Infusible Ink sheets that have a watercolor look. Cricut also has fun patterns like these that I will be using for another project. The sheets are 12 by 12, and if you enlarge your graphic to fit it entirely, it fits perfectly and comfortably in the 20 by 20 pillowcase. I searched for a circular graphic, and this Joy to the World was just what I was looking for. Don't forget when you cut to mirror your image. I find it best to remove the sheet from your mat and start to bend and pull to weed out the image. The Infusible Ink sheets are thick and will pull off easily using your hands and the weeding tool for smaller areas. If you are using the Cricut Easy Press, there is a heat guide online that helps you find the perfect temperature and time to set it at for the materials you're using. Prepare your pillowcase by adding the parchment paper to the inside to protect the ink from going to the other side of the pillow. Be sure to also preheat the pillow with the Easy Press or an iron. I like to remove any wrinkles and also use a lint roller on it. Center your graphic. A trick is to gently bend it in half to find the center point and use a ruler as a guide. Don't forget to use heat-resistant tape to secure it so it doesn't budge while using the Easy Press. Add a second sheet of parchment paper. By the way, these sheets come with your Infusible Ink sheets. Place your Easy Press on, setting the timer and keeping it as still as possible. You may have to lift it up and move it to different areas to get the full sheet transferred for a graphic of this size. Here comes my favorite part, removing it. Infusible Ink by Cricut is so remarkable. I'm always impressed by how it comes out. For the next pillow, I wanted to create a custom modern design using a pattern. These are two separate graphics you can find on Cricut Design Access, and I duplicated them to create a pattern. By sizing it just right to fit, it made the coolest pattern that I'm so proud of to say that I made. If you do sign up for Cricut Design Access, you will have access to over 100,000 Cricut images, which makes designing so quick and easy to do. Follow the same steps to create this Infusible Ink pillow. I've made sure that it was centered so that it was an even amount of space around all of the sides. The colors for Infusible Ink sheets transfer as a darker, more vibrant shade than what you see at first. I love how this at first looked yellow but transferred as a rich gold color. find that down pillow inserts work best to give the pillows a nice shape. These pillows honestly came out better than I could have imagined, and I'm proud to say that I created my own pillows, and it was so easy to do using my Cricut Maker machine. I hope you guys enjoyed these DIYs and give them a try. I hope you are inspired to make your own home decor or use these as gift ideas. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to join the Simple Life Society. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!